So you have a digital background and you've added your subjects. The problem is the feet never look right. They don't blend into the ground. So what most of us tend to do is you just grab a black brush and mask out the feet around the grass. And in this image, that actually works quite well. So you can kind of start with that in this image. If the grass is short, you can get away with it. But I want you to know there's another thing that you can do to make this a lot more believable. A lot of people don't realize that Photoshop actually has grass brushes built in. So all you have to do is click on your brush tool, type in grass in the search bar, and a couple options will pop up. I'm going to choose grass, click on the layer mask, and watch. Click and hold, and there's some blades of grass. Here's the before and after. I'm going to go back to my regular soft round brush and just do a few little adjustments right under her feet. It's a quick and simple way to add just a little bit more realism to your composites. So here's a before and after. That took about 10 seconds.